Let's talk about setting up our development environment. To run Next.js, you should have Node version 16.8 or higher. So head over to nodejs.org and download the latest version. Now in this course, I will be using VS Code as my editor, just like my other courses. You're welcome to use your preferred editor, but I encourage you to use VS Code because along the way, I'll be sharing a lot of tips and techniques for writing code fast. So you can get VS Code from code.visualstudio.com. Now, here in VS Code window, let's talk about the extensions I'm going to use in this course. So in this panel, search for ES7. Alright, look at this extension, ES7 plus React, Redux, and React Native. This extension gives us a bunch of code snippets so we can quickly and easily generate React components. The next extension is TypeScript. It's this one here, JavaScript and TypeScript nightly. And the last one is Tailwind, CSS, IntelliSense. Now, if you have never worked with Tailwind before, don't worry, it's super easy and I'm going to hold your hands through the entire course. Alright, to create our first Next.js project, open up a terminal window and run npx create-next-app at. You can use the latest version, but in this course I'm going to use version 13.4, so I strongly recommend you to use the same version so you don't have any difficulties going through the course. Let's go ahead. Now it's asking if you want to install this package, create next app version 13.4.13. Let's proceed. Alright, now it's going to ask us a bunch of questions about our new project. The first question is the name of our project. I'm going to use Next-app. The next question is if you want to use TypeScript in this project. The default answer is yes, so let's press enter to accept it. The next question is about using ESLint, which is a common code analysis tool that we can use to find common errors like syntax errors, formatting issues, and so on. Again, we're going to accept the default value, which is yes. The next question is about using Tailwind CSS. One more time, we're going to accept yes. The next question is about using the source directory. A lot of Next.js projects don't use the source directory, so I'm going to select no here. The next question is about using the new app router. I'm going to talk about this later in the section, but very briefly, in Next.js 13, we have two types of routers. We have the new app router and the legacy pages router. In this course, we're going to use the new app router. So let's select yes. The last question is about customizing the default import alias. We're going to select no. Alright, now it's going to install all these dependencies. So you see we have React, React DOM, Next, TypeScript, and so on. Alright, all of our dependencies are installed. So now let's go into this folder and run npm run dev. This starts at development server on port 3000. So let's control and click on this link. And this confirms that our first Next.js project is up and running.